Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essentials. Internet works and the device time is correct. Those often block Google sign-in. Next, make sure you remember the exact Google password and close other apps. Once done, free at least 100 megabytes of storage and reboot the phone. This clears temporary lockups. After reboot, open Settings, go to Accounts and look for your Google entry. If missing, prepare to add it. This sets up a stable environment for the sign-in attempt. Now you tackle the middle steps that actually resolve most sign-in failures. Force stop Google Play Store, then clear cache and storage so stale tokens disappear. This forces a fresh handshake. If that doesn't work, remove the Google account and then re-add it, which rebuilds authentication. Make sure Google Play Services and Play Store are updated because mismatched versions break sign-in. If updates fail, download the correct Play Services APK and install it manually. Match architecture and Android version to avoid new issues. For finalizing, open Play Store and sign in. Accept all permission dialogues and complete any two-step verification prompts. If sign-in still fails, reset network settings or switch networks. Wi-Fi can block traffic or captive portals may interrupt login. As a last targeted test, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. If sign-in works there, uninstall recent apps that manage accounts or VPNs. If problems persist, factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.